So in my template that I've got here, one of the things that I want to do is I want to put a box around the main data, so product, quantity, price and total. So the easiest way to do that is again to use a shortcut. So I simply highlight the actual cell range that I want to put this box around, and then I simply go Control Shift ampersand, and when I click away you can now see there is a box around that particular set of data. And I can do the same for each of my totals here. I can simply just select the cell, Control Shift ampersand, and again I have boxes around the actual totals. So this is also another way that you can actually add boxes to your actual data to make your information a little bit easier to read.